You may have not heard me, or you may have. You may have heard me at a boxing stadium. You may be heard me on the street. You may have heard me for the first time right now. But as much as I am magnificent and handsome, we must continue on with the topic. You can see, now, for those who can't solve the cube, well, hopefully you can, and eventually. Good luck for that. But those who can, that's good for you. But if you solve the cube or not, you have never, and I bet never, have seen someone do it with their eyes closed. So, as you can see here, this is a mixed cube. Mixed up, you can see that? Wow. Woo. Chim 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 chim. Right. Now I'm going to solve it. Oh wait. Say, my eyes are closed. See? There's the solved cube.
Great job.